Guys, we came down to watch the sunset and it's honestly so beautiful. How beautiful. This was very spontaneous.
Mama.
Want to go play volleyball?
Yeah.
I think we have to bring our own ball next time to do that.
I got my ball at home.
We were going to go look at the markets and then we saw how beautiful the sunset was, so we had to come down onto the beach. That's all right, we can clean it. What are you doing, Coco?
I did push a walk. Huh? Look, Mama.
Hold it there.
Time, Mario, cheese. Time.
Okay, now we're going to have a little browse around the market. So cute, look at all the scrunchies.